Good morning, everybody. If you're seeing this on my YouTube channel, my name is Jeff Kasmer. I've been making money online for about 23 years. For the past 5 years, I have been a forex trader with one of the best teams in the world. And if you're one of my customers and a member of our team, then obviously you already know who I am. And I wanted to do a video because I wanted to kind of tie in a couple things based on my experiences the last few weeks. So let me get some of the particulars out of the way. If you're seeing this on my YouTube channel, please subscribe below. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you like the content. If you are interested in potentially getting a free trial where you kind of check out our mentors that do 5 webinars, we do daily sessions with our team, then by all means, reach me through Facebook. The link will be in the bio here below, and we can get you set up if you want to check us out, okay? So back to the purpose of the video. So team, the reason I wanted to do this video is obviously since I've been with the team 5 years now, I have probably been asked every question imaginable and have experienced a various, what's the proper word, mindset issues, challenges, etc. And I kind of wanted to give just a quick video on where people go astray, okay? Because I have been asked every question imaginable. And if you're in our Discord community, our Facebook group, the team website, obviously you have resources to kind of answer a lot of the questions that you might have. But obviously, if I brought you on board the team, you guys ask me questions, which is fantastic and wonderful because I've helped a lot of people become six-figure traders. And I want every one of you to become a six-figure trader. And so I've got a lot of experience as to where people are at, all right? And I have customers that I rarely hear from because they just kind of do their thing. I have customers that I hear a lot from, which is also fantastic. And I hear the stories and the challenges that come about in your journey, okay? So this is, for those not seeing on the YouTube channel, this is our team website. And really, I'm just kind of focused on our unit section here, okay? So the first mistake that people make is not watching this in its entirety, okay, by our man Jason, okay, and watching it, and let's see the length. Yep, this is from last Saturday, 2 hours and 23 minutes, okay? That's the first mistake people make. Because what Jason does is he covers everything you need to be successful on your journey, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader. And what I have found is if the people who are experienced traders, they just kind of skip this. Okay, I got that. Get me right to the strategy. Big mistake, right? There's a reason that you found us. There's a reason that you were looking, right? Not necessarily for the fantastic strategy that we have, right? But consistent profits with that strategy. And part of that is your mindset, where your brain is, where your emotions are at. And for people that come on board, whether they're new or experienced, you want to go through this Millionaire Mindset Getting Started webinar. Jason does it every Saturday live, 2.5 hours. He's done it for over 4 years. Now think about that. No other team, company, $7 EA does that, all right? But you have to take advantage of the resources available to you to help you become successful. Now, many of you do, okay? But I know some skipped because I can kind of tell by some of the questions that are asked of me, all right? He goes through everything. He goes through all the resources that you get and covers mindset challenges because mindset is just as important as the strategy itself. Too often, especially people that have done some trading before, they want to get right to unit 5, okay? And they just want to go boom, 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 boom. All right, come on, computer. They want to get right to unit 5, okay? And let's get to the meat of the strategy, okay? And that's the mistake, first mistake people make, all right? Big time. They want to get right to this. They want to get everything to the meat and potatoes of the strategy and not cover the mindset. That's a mistake that people make. The second mistake that people make is they don't reset often. So for example, you've started your journey, maybe you're a month in, maybe you're 6 months in, maybe you're 9 months in. I post in our trading chat where I call out potential trades, information, reminders, that Jason does it every Saturday, and sometimes people need what we call a reset, okay? So they're going through their journey. They're obviously, everything doesn't always go smoothly for everyone. There could be challenges, there could be bumps in the road, and anything that's worth it will have a bump in the road and a challenge. And then what I tell everybody, and everyone who's watching this from the group, saying, hey, if you need a mindset reset, all right, then watch it again. That's 2.5 hours, okay, that is vitally important to your success, right? Not enough people go back for a reset. And another thing is on Fridays, right, because of our daily sessions, we do some mindset stuff on Friday. Usually it's Michael. You should be taking advantage of that. Even if you can't watch live, you can watch the recording. If you're not being consistent on doing some mindset stuff, this can affect your success. 100%. Okay? So mistake number one is not watching that in its entirety, start to finish, taking notes, and learning from what Jason goes over in our 2.5 hours. All right? And that's 2.5 hours live every Saturday. Okay? And then we upload the recording to the team website. 2 is not checking back on the mindset, not doing a reset, not taking advantage of Fridays. Even if you only can pop in 20 minutes, right? Michael usually kind of does mindset in the first 15, 20 minutes of Friday session. Okay? That's that mistake. The third biggest mistake that people make in their trading journey is, anybody have any ideas? Right here. 25 trade case study, and of course that's included in proper mindset, right? Too many people just want to get me to, again, trying to skip over, try to save time, get me right to the strategy, and let me start practicing the strategy. And then unfortunately, they go live too fast, right? When they haven't mastered the strategy. So what do we want you to do, obviously, is a 25 trade case study on each confirmation. Okay, obviously with proper mindset. All right, so people want to rush through the trade blocks or don't do them. They just practice a few trades on demo and then they immediately go live and then, oh my God, I blew my account. Okay, why? There's no reason to do that. None. You have to follow the plan. So if you can see me in the upper right-hand corner, okay, in between my hands is the road. We have paved a road for you. Too many people are going outside the road, right, and deviate from what we lay out. We have probably 1,500, maybe 2,000 testimonials from people that have stayed on the path, do as we suggest, and we have set them free. Right? Where people run into roadblocks is deviate from the plan. Right? And that's with the 3 mistakes people make with what we have set up for them. 1, watch the Millionaire Mindset. Right at the beginning, take notes, etc. And if you haven't done it, and you're 3 months in, then you need to go back and you need to watch it. 2, don't just think that you can just avoid mindset stuff and just focus on practicing the strategy, etc. The mindset's really, really important. Go back. Watch part of the session. You don't have to watch it live if you're not available on Saturday afternoon. The recorded session, as you saw, is under Unit 1. Okay? Excuse me. And 3 is they want to bounce to the strategy really quick and not do a 25 trade block on each confirmation. Right? So when people get through our free trial, right, they have some of the basics of the strategy, okay? And there are confirmations along the way, as everyone knows, right, to help facilitate a proper trade. You got to do the 25 trade blocks. Now, with all due respect, Many of you do send me the 25 trade blocks. You don't have to send them to me. You can send them to Jason. It's fine. Okay? But you got to do the 25 trade blocks. I have one customer in particular who's been with us 8-9 months. And he is absolutely fantastic. He is wonderful. He engages in the community. He communicates with me regularly. He's excited about the success stories. He loves it when I call out trades that are profitable. But I have not yet seen a 25 trade block. Not one, right? Now he says he's picking up the strategy, he's got it, etc. But he is somebody that needs mindset stuff. And too often, life's in a hurry, and we want to get to the strategy, start practicing the strategy, boom, 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 make money, we're done. We're good. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to do the mindset stuff that we ask. There's a reason we're on year 6, okay? It's because we have set this up for a reason, because it works. Just follow the plan. That's it. That's my video for today, okay? Any questions, please reach me. If you're seeing this on YouTube, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Team, after you watch this video, if you like it, thumbs up. You want to give any comments below in the comment section? We'd love the social media love. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. If you're somebody who's Joe Blow, just kind of found this video, is interested in taking our free trial, my Facebook page link is down in the bio. Reach me and we'll get you set up. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.